So silver slipped below $20 an ounce. Gold's at about $13.09. Today is March 24th, 2014. And essentially, the price of these metals tells me that the smart money doesn't believe there's going to be a big crisis right now, because as you know, a tiny percent of the population owns most of the things in the world, and they get the news before it's on the front lines. So these markets are not reacting to any doom right now. My theory is, and it's only a theory, is that before doom comes, we'll see a run-up in these metals without any apparent explanation, and then the news happens, right? So right now, I'm hearing things about, the new Cold War. I'm hearing things about, I'm still hearing things about, currency wars. They're going to reject the dollar, but the precious metals aren't showing that story, and the dollar's not really showing that story either. They're all fluctuating. Silver's kind of going to the lower end of the range it's in right now. But I'm not hearing that from the marketplace. And of course, it's not always perfect, right? I mean, things happen by surprise that even the most informed and wealthy people get surprised by. Okay, it looks like it's getting darker out. So my face, it's like the moon, right? It's like the half moon, my face is waning like the moon is, I don't know. So, now, going back to silver, right? So I did a video recently about how Mike Maloney would cry in a video. And that kind of happened when silver failed the upper end of the band. Now it's going down to the lower end of the band. So I'm hoping that Mike Maloney's crying in his video has now expired. So maybe there's a reset button on me trying to find sentiment out of Mike Maloney, which may be even a false indicator. But I thought it's fascinating. Yes, I did a video. Mike Maloney was crying. And now silver's under 20 a few weeks later. Maybe this is the end of that little thing that happened. So, my final point is, your gurus will abandon you before they tell you what they're doing. This is what I mean. On YouTube, over the years, people have dropped off YouTube with no warning. They're just gone. People have looked to them for advice, and they're gone. No warning. They're just gone. Other people will say, this is my last video, and they're gone. For example, last year I did a video, and I said, you are not a silver expert. The point of the video wasn't that you're not smart. The point of the video, I mean, you can be smart, you can make money in the silver market, but don't think you're some big expert because you're studying silver and investing in silver. Go to an industry conference and talk to a real silver expert, and you'll find yourself humbled. You can be knowledgeable. You can do good things with silver in the marketplace, but just be careful about living yourself an expert. So I did that video last year. Another silver channel said, don't listen to that silver futurist. He's, you are a silver expert. This person was trying to say how, I'm influential and I got a bad message. Well, that person is no longer on YouTube. They have abandoned you. They had their own reasons, maybe they're good reasons, but you got to realize a lot of these strong voices on YouTube and alternative media, one day they'll be gone. And it'll be very quick. Poof, and they're gone. Right? That's how it's going to work. So at some point, all these people you follow, some of them might just be gone overnight, and that's it. So I'm just letting you guys know is that don't rely on any pundit. Don't rely on them. You have to rely on yourself. Okay. That all being said, yes. Actually, if there's no big crisis and doom in the world, that's probably a good thing. I personally believe, I could be wrong, that the markets will reflect impending doom before it happens. All right, thanks for watching.